Morning, everyone. Today, Tuesday, 8th of August. Let's go through the pairs and see what's been happening. USD JPY, as you can see, prices closed against me in the red yesterday. So now it comes to risk management. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna set an alert here near my break even, near my entry, and wait for the price to bounce down. If that happens, I'm just gonna close this at break even. The reason why it's bounced, it could be due to this area here, which I chose to ignore. So here, this area, previously there was a bounce down, and this might have reacted to that level. Might be a temporary thing, or might be a complete reversal. We don't know, but yeah, that's probably the cause. USD CAD. So it looks like momentum's running out. First position in the green, second position the red. Mostly due to this area here. Though I believe it might break out, so we'll maintain this position for now. USD CHF, nothing for us to enter. AUD CHF, it's kind of pulled back, then rejected, still in the green, so just leave it be for now. AUD New Zealand, nothing here. AUD CAD, it hasn't really moved, so there's no management for me to do. Still at the entry. Leave this be. AUD USD, no entries here. AUD JPY, moved in my direction. Unfortunately, it's bounced back yesterday. And now my break even is mostly reaching this area. It's a strong zone. I'm not sure. I'm still gonna maintain it as it is. Scratch that. Looks like that's already closed. Trade. Yeah, I think I've closed this at break even previously. So this is a break even trade. So for today, I'm gonna go for a buy here for a push up $20 risk market. So that's a buy. We'll see how it goes. There's a strong bullish candle after multiple failure of bears. Hopefully continue that momentum up at least another candle or so. New Zealand CAD. Okay, this price is just stalling. I still have my alert active here, waiting for a price to come down before I can close it. Now I don't really have a rule that says, well, if it fails to come down one time, should I get out or like that? Looks like it tried to come down one time, but it's been more bullish. Reach much to do. Overall trend is still down. Comes back to the okay, it's gonna push down. But it can also go up to these levels before bouncing. That's another. Leave it be for now. The alert is there. When it comes down, I'll close it if it does. New Zealand CHF, that's a loss. And it's at this zone. I'm not gonna buy into this zone. New Zealand USD, also a loss. It's like the moment from last week didn't really carry it on. I have a strong bearish candle. Felt them. That's New Zealand USD. Wait for it to come down. If it drop there, close it. New Zealand JPY. Oh wow, we really missed by few pips. Unfortunately, it is what it is. Still in the green. Still nothing to do. Would be Euro Pound. Same process. I just put an alert price to come back. Manage this loss. Euro CHF. Nothing for now. Euro JPY. Same situation. Just add an alert price to come back. UD. Paused for now. Probably due to these highs. Just leave it for now. Might break through. Euro USD. Also in the red. Didn't trigger my alert here. Just move this alert up. If it comes back down, what to do? Euro New Zealand. I'm gonna sell this. We have a push. We have a strong close down. So strong bearish coupled with the support resistance zone. $20 sell to risk. It's gonna drop down. Let's see. Euro CAD hasn't really moved. We'll leave it be. Pound JPY is Same situation, comes back, give us a chance to close this break even. Pound, I take this for a strong bullish pressure risk. Just wait for it, see if it's gonna break out. Pound USD is in there for now. Pound CAD, this zone for us to do. You can see price is very squeezed. Same here. So wait for it to come. This alert hasn't yet very squeezed. I had a good push, squeezed these zones. Pound New Zealand. So price is finally. I don't see any strong momentum. We'll leave it be. It's mostly indecision in this area. CAT CHF almost hit the pullback. Now it's pushing down again. We're in two positions. We'll just maintain it happens. CAT JPY. So we have one way. The second position of yesterday is in there. So I'm gonna set an alert. If the price comes back, I'll monitor. So if it looks like, because it's making lower lows, there's a trend here. So if the price comes down, breaks through, and follow through, then I'll close it. If it looks like it's going back up, which means it's being stalled, it's failing to new low, then I'll close break even. If it's going through, I just let it run. Maybe set my stop loss at break even, and then let it fall down. We'll see. CHF JPY, that's a very steep bounce. Also need to use this break if it comes down. Alright, thanks guys for listening. This is it for today. Hopefully market will start showing some movement soon. Hasn't been a great week last week, but as long as we can manage losses, when the winners come, we'll be ending up with bigger winners. Thanks for listening.